Hello everyone, today I'm going to talk about a controller that I received the other day, and I tested everything, and it looks like everything seems to be okay. But then I contacted the client, and the client told me that the issue that he's facing is that he's not getting power to the inlet water valves. So my goal is to find which relay from those 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 relays, there could be also small ones too, which one is the one that controls the inlet water valve. I'm trying to get to my service matters to find out the schematics and the diagrams. Let me just see if I can log in. Okay, I think I'm in. Okay, so I'll try to put the part number. Usually the best thing is to put the model number, but in this case I just have the part number, W109 13019. If it's not going to find it, what I'm going to do, I'm going to make another search just online, and sometimes it will find me the part number, and it's also going to give me the model number. I really need the model number because with the part number nothing really I can do. Let's see. Yeah, it's only giving me the part numbers. Let's go by images. Yeah, sometimes you have to do this research, you know, because you don't have enough information. Well, like I know exactly from which washer is that. I'm familiar with this, but I really need the model number. Otherwise, I really can do nothing. Let me see. I might have to call the customer to give me this information. Otherwise, you know, I can't find the schematics, and without any schematics or wiring diagram, I don't know which one, J3, J15, where the inlets are. Okay, I was able to find the order number and also the model number. So here is the model number, and let's see if I can actually find anything. There you go. See, without the model number it's really hard to find, but when the part number. When I have the model number I can actually find stuff. So tech sheet, I don't think I need, maybe, let's see. No, that I need the wiring diagram, warranty, installation, parts list, warranty, parts, technical manual, maybe this. I need the wiring diagram, could be, it's gonna be here somewhere. That's the controller. Okay, but that's French, I need English, so it's under technical manual, installation instruction, parts, tech sheet, probably here. Let's see. Okay, here we go. Let me zoom in and see if I can find anything. Man, why is it French? No English? Parts list. Warranty. Service pointer maybe? I need English. This is English or French? No, this is French. I don't know how to read French. Warranty, miscellaneous parts list, text sheet. Let's see text sheet. Okay, this is all English. Maybe I missed it. Oh, here you go. That's English. Oh, perfect. Alright, let's see what we have here. So the customer facing with the problem that power not coming into the inlet water valves. Let's find out. So drive motor, drain pump, shifter, lead lock, motor relay. So nothing on this side. This is all drive motor, lead lock. No, so it's probably on the other side. This is a coin slide interface module, water valves. Here you go. It's hot and cold. Where is the circuit? Control assembly. Okay. So it's on J3 connection. See, it's very important to have this because without it, you're never gonna find the relay. You can shoot in the dark pretty much. J3. Where is J3? There you go. So J3, and we have water is 10 pin connection. Let's see if it's 10 pin. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Perfect. And J3, it's on this side, so, and it's between pin 4 and 5, and it's connected between 1. So 1. Let me just make a little mark here. So 1 and 4 and 5. 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. So I know that the white, it's neutral, and the 4 and 5, it's where the power is going. So you can see it's 890 to 1300 kilo ohms on those inlets. Alright, now what I have to do, I have to trace where those connections going to which relay, and then we'll find it. So I'm gonna test. So this is the neutral. My goal is to test those two. 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5, right? 4 and 5. So I'm gonna test the 4 and 5 and see where they connected to which relay. Okay, so best thing is to connect a little alligator clip. Let me find out, and then start testing on the other side with the probe. Let me find out. It should be right here. A little troubleshooting. Alright, what I've done so far, let me just change this to the red one, to the positive, and then I'm gonna connect it first to 1, 2, 3, 4 right here. Okay, so I connected the positive to leg number 4, and now I'm going to look for the relay that controls this. So we have this relay, let's see those two. Oh, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, let's see. Okay, is that good contact? Let me just see. Okay, so it's not on this leg. Let's test it on this leg. I maybe have a bad contact, remember, because they have like, let me try it like this. It's a little hard, but let's see. Let's see from here, 1, 2, 3, 4, for example. Let's see for this, from this relay to here. Nothing, eh? How about those ones? Okay. Alright guys, I found the relay that actually controls the inlets. So actually here you see, so I'm just going to show you how I found it. So you have the hot and then the cold. Now it's connected between leg 4 and 5. So this is leg number 1 right here, and then you go this way. So 1, 2, 3, 4. Leg number 4, it's connected to the hot valve, and then between leg 4 and what is this, a J1, which is the neutral, looks like here, you have this symbol, and this symbol is the meaning of the symbol is that there is a relay. So between the red and the white one, the neutral, you should have relay. So what I've done, leg number 4, 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, now the closest relays are here, so nothing here on the coils. Here you go, that's the one relay. So this relay right here controlling the hot, and I suspect that leg number 5 is this one. So let's see, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. There you go, see? So we have 2 relays, and those 2 connected to your inlets. So what we're going to do, we're going to swap those 2 legs or 2 relays, and it should fix the issue. So this is the diagnostics, guys, on a Whirlpool Speed Queen wash machine. It's a commercial top load, and the model number is QCAE2735FQ. If you guys have any questions, you can comment, like, and subscribe. But you see this, you really need the wiring diagram, because otherwise nothing can be done. So now I know that those 2 relays are controlling the hot and cold, and the customer facing problem with the inlets. So we're gonna do this. If this will not fix the issue, the problem is with the main chip, and nothing I can do at this point. So replacing these should fix the issue. Thank you for watching, and take care.